Framex S22, sliding aluminum system. Design and practicality in every move. System type, sliding. The aluminum frame is lightweight and durable, with an installation depth of 60 or 90 millimeters. Sash depth, 22 millimeters. Infill thickness, 4 or 6 millimeters. A felt dual contour seal protects against dust, wind, and noise. Visible profile width, only 75 millimeters. Visible space between sashes, 50 millimeters. Maximum sash weight, 30 kilograms. Threshold height, 12 millimeters, used for terraces, balconies, loggias, or 35 millimeters, used for terraces, winter gardens. The maximum panel size is 900 by 2,100 millimeters. The construction can reach a width of up to 5.5 meters. Available models with 2 or 3 tracks and up to 6 sashes. Practicality and comfort, recessed handle, external lock, and neat shapes. The profile is powder-coated in any color from the RAL palette. Framex S22, the perfect balance of design and technical specifications.